Last week's arrest of two suspected drug dealers may be one of the first cases in Texas where a murder charge could apply. That's because of a new law allowing for the charge if certain drugs are sold leading to death. Fox 4's David Santendry explains how it works. David.
Yeah, oftentimes people who overdosed on fentanyl had no idea they were even taking fentanyl. They bought a street pill thinking it was something else, and then it turned out to be laced with fentanyl. Now there are accountability questions for those drug dealers responsible for those overdose deaths.
These high school kids are being duped into believing that they're buying one drug when they're actually buying poison, and it's nothing short of poison.
A 15-year-old girl who attended Newman Smith High School in Carrollton is believed to have died from a fentanyl overdose 2 weeks ago, according to authorities. One of 4 kids in the area to die from fentanyl since September, according to federal prosecutors. 2 alleged dealers connected to the 15-year-old's death are facing federal distribution charges. Now, law enforcement and prosecutors are working to see if state-level murder charges could be added.
I mean, somebody's likely to be a test case, whether it works or not.
Criminal trial lawyer George Milner, who's not connected to this case, is talking about a bipartisan Texas law signed by Governor Greg Abbott this month, which creates a criminal offense of murder for supplying fentanyl that results in death.
They're trying to do what they can to stop the problem. I just don't know that this statute would do it. Maybe it has some deterrent level effect.
On Friday, the Carrollton police chief told Fox 4 he's in contact with the Dallas County District Attorney to see if a murder charge would apply to the 15-year-old's alleged dealers.
We're both discussing what this House Bill 6 means to us and what we're going to do.
The new law, however, will not go into effect until September 1st. So for those charged in the 15-year-old's overdose, a murder charge does not appear to be an option.
So you can't retroactively apply a criminal statute, so they wouldn't be able to do that.
Milner believes a murder charge in overdose cases might be a stretch, since murder is defined as intentionally or knowingly causing death. The charge of criminal homicide, however, allows for criminal negligence causing death.
You know, if you had a dealer and you could show through text messages, whatever, that he understood there was a high likelihood that this was fentanyl, and he understood that it had a reasonable chance of killing somebody, I think you could get there on a reckless standard, which would be a second-degree felony manslaughter.
Regardless of how often the new law is used, Milner believes it signifies elected leaders are working to address a deadly problem.
Starting September 1, things are going to get very dangerous for anybody distributing fentanyl.
Carrollton Police and the Drug Enforcement Administration are examining to see if there's any sort of connection between these 2 drug dealers just arrested for that 15-year-old's death and other dealers who have been arrested throughout the past year for other teenage overdose deaths, specifically in that Carrollton area.